Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Now this video is all about the painting behind me, which is called Chronologie. Now to me that's an absolute triumph of bold primary colours. However, there are also 1,000 tiny subtle blends in it. So let's dive in, take a closer look. I painted this in quite an unusual way actually. I was choosing a live stream broadcast to showcase what is really quite a brand new technique. In fact, this was an attempt to paint by numbers on an extremely large scale. Actually, if you want to see what I mean, I'll pop a link to that live stream down in the description and also one in the corner of the screen. Through the chaos of the live event came something truly groundbreaking. And to be fair, I did spend a considerable amount of time after the event, quite late at night, to turn this into a real stunning work of art. I think the end result is something that pictures simply can't convey, even though we do our very best with 4K high-resolution video. The colours hit you from all points as your eye moves across the canvas. Then you get struck by the complexity of the blends between the paints. It really is a question of each millimetre of space being occupied by some kind of tonal shift or detail that really does defy belief. There are features on this painting that exist nowhere else in any of my work to date, so it really is a remarkable artwork in so many ways. But to fully absorb the completeness of the painting, you really need to stand back and just let it wash over you. For me, it's quite a profound experience. And I think whoever ends up owning this will always find something new to captivate them and enthrall, as it's a painting that's constantly revealing itself. And that is Chronologie. Now remember, if you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and watch out for more of these quick look videos coming to the channel soon.